Welcome to part 1, where I'm going to show you how to sharpen a chisel with this Ozito Multi Function Sharpener. First step is to grab the chisel and blade sharpening component, slide it on the front covering the wheel, push it down till it clicks in, grab your chisel, put it on the magnet here which holds it in position, hard up against the fence here. Make sure this is loosened off, and we want to lift this up and down until the edge of the blade matches the pitch of the wheel. So I'm going to move it over here to see, lift it up until you're happy, and I'm going to settle on about 28 degrees I reckon, which is on the gauge here. Lock it off nice and tight. Then we want to turn it on. Slowly slide your chisel down until you just touch the wheel. Just touched it there. You want to keep a bit of pressure on the block and just gently move it backwards and forwards, pass it across backwards and forwards. When you're happy, you should see that there's a small grind or hone mark right across that edge, and you can test it, it's a little bit sharp now. Now we've got this chisel nice and sharp ready for our project. But if I wasn't happy with how sharp it was, it's as simple as going back to the multi-function sharpener and giving it a little bit more of an edge. And if you click the link, I can now show you how to use the multi-function sharpener to sharpen a knife or a pair of scissors.